Hey guys, this is Akin from Cocotech, and today I want to show you how to purchase and sign into your Pathfinder account. Let's click on Buy Pathfinder. Yearly, comes with 2 activations. Also we have a 5% off. Proceed to checkout. Let's add our details. And the email I put here needs to be used when you guys want to sign into your Pathfinder account. Let's purchase it. Perfect. And you guys will get a thank you message and also an email that says you guys successfully purchased the product. So let's use the email that we just purchased. And it's enter your password, and if this is your first time logging in, this will set the password on your account. So if you just purchased it, and if you, for example, you don't have a password, so you guys need to create a password. So let's create a password. You see the activation account. Perfect. And this is how you guys purchase and sign into your Pathfinder account. Thank you.